Okay, nothing too complex about this. We just got to do the distributing and solve this out. So we say 5 times 10x is 50x. 5 times negative 10 minus 50 equals negative 5 times negative 4x, 20x. And negative 5 times positive 4 is negative 20. Okay, and now we're just going to juggle this thing around. I'm going to subtract 20x from both sides. So 50x minus 50, take away 20x, equals 20x minus 20, take away 20x. Yep. And what do we get here? We got 30x minus 50 equals, those 20x and the negative 20x go away to be minus 20. Now I'm going to add 50 to both sides to get the x's isolated. 30x minus 50 plus 50 equals negative 20 plus 50. Or 30x equals 30. And 30x divided by 30 equals 30 divided by 30. Or x equals 1. Yep. Okay. Let me see if I can, I'm going to kind of, just for the sake of space, I'm going to box this off, this space off right here. Oops. And do this proof right here. Just, it seems like a weird way of doing it, I know, but I'm running out of space and it'll help me out if I do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this original problem and I'm going to move it right down here. Okay, so now, do this in blue. I'm going to say 5 brackets 10 parentheses 1 minus 10, close the brackets, equals negative 5 brackets negative 4 parentheses 1 plus 4, close brackets. That's 5 parentheses 10 minus 10 equals negative 5 parentheses negative 4 plus 4, or 5 times 0 equals negative 5 times 0, which means 0 equals 0, and done. Okay, cool. Yeah, and not much more to say about that. It's just, again, a complex, fairly complex number of steps kind of thing, but nothing particularly